Annyeonghaseyo. Today DIY project is to set up my Ikea Knoxhult base and hanging cabinet. Let's see the effect later. We got a good helper for me to install an upper wall cabinet. To hang the wall cabinet Knoxhult, I have prepared a wall plug of 8mm size and a depth of 60mm, and you need to use a 8mm size 8 drill bit. With the help of this little machine, cabinet has been installed at a perfect position. Both wall cabinet has been installed. I have top up the lighting at the base cabinet. Wiring has been done, and the base cabinet has been put back to its position and anchored to the wall with the wiring ready. Doors are all installed.